Okay, what we got here, the tile floor. These are some pretty basic 2x2 tiles that are on concrete in the basement. So a lot of homeowners come into this situation and want to chip these tiles up, put a new floor down. Can't blame you. These are a little dated, so of course you want to change it. You don't want to do this by hand. You'll be here quite some time. I took out 2 courses of this tile already just to get started. I used this demo hammer here. You can rent one of these at Home Depot or any other tool rental outlet you want, but you can get this for about 55 bucks a day, 24-hour rental. You can do a 4-hour rental too, but I don't like to rush. I don't like to be rushed, so I just rent it for the whole day. And when you run this thing, it'll just chip these tiles right up. You just kind of want to run the tool here. Want to use a chisel bit. Don't need the big wide one, but don't need a small one either. Just use one like this here. They have a bit selection at the store to pick from. Just pick that bit. And what will happen is you'll hit the tiles, you know, right along here. And they'll just come up. A lot of them will split when you do it. They'll break right up. No big deal. So I'll show you a couple here. We'll make some room here. So we'll just go ahead and clean that up. I'm going to do this one-handed while I hold the camera here. So bear with me. It's going to be noisy, but this is what it looks like. Of course, when you do this, you're going to want to wear ear protection. You don't need to worry about this backing that gets left behind. That's okay. Your next step is going to be to smear thin set underneath your new tile, so don't worry about that. And of course, I should back up and point out I've already removed the toilet and the vanity. I've left the P-trap here. Whenever you take a vanity out of a room, of course, remember to leave your P-trap, put some water in here. Otherwise, you're going to get a smell from the sewer in there. So do that. That's the same reason I have a roll of toilet paper stuffed in there. There's no P-trap under there. So your sewer gas is a direct line to your room. So just stuff those 2 things. Plus, that keeps debris from falling in. And then you got a problem in your toilet there. So obviously, I took all that out before I got started. You don't want to be chipping tiles up around nice vanities and toilets. And we're going to be replacing this toilet at the end of this project anyhow. So it's better to have it up, obviously. So we happened to find here when we took this toilet up that somebody had decided they didn't need to put a toilet collar in. This is an interesting, unique scenario that we can share with you here. They took the pipe straight up the ground here and they just cut it flush with the tile. You can see it's kind of an amateur cut, so it just kind of tells you there might have been a homeowner involved. In these sinkers here, they had leg bolts down to hold the toilet down. Now, to do this correctly, you would have a toilet collar on here, which I've gone and purchased to put in for my homeowner here. So you gotta have these in there. That's how that's supposed to look. So I won't install that yet. I'll wait till the new tile's in, and then I'll put that in and glue it and make it flush with the new tile. And then you can set your toilet bolts in here, and maybe I'll post a video how to put that in, and we'll do the toilet at the same time. But you need to have these all set properly, and it makes the job really easy. So somebody did it wrong, but we're gonna just go ahead and make it right when we're done. So all right, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.